we will be learning is how to insert the formulas for average and count. We will be learning step by step method. Step number 1. Select the cell where the formula result will be displayed. Now for you all, I have already prepared a particular sheet in this manner where I'm able to insert roll numbers, name of the students, English marks, math, science and social studies. These are the marks that we are already able to see. And there are certain columns which are blank: average, count, total, minimum and maximum. Select the cell where the formula result will be displayed. So we are using two particular formulas over here, average and count. I will be selecting this particular cell where I require to insert the formula for average. So step number 1 is done. We have selected the cell. Select the functions icons in the toolbar above the worksheet to open the drop down list of functions. Now where the functions are present, I will be showing you this particular part in the Google Sheet. So over here you are able to see this thing called as functions. When I'm scrolling down, you are able to see functions over here. Over here you are able to see a drop down button. When I click on the drop down button, you will be able to see a list of formulas. I am inserting which formula? Average. So as soon as I click on average, select the average here count from the list to place a blank copy of the functions in the cell. Select the cells you want to enter as arguments. So you are able to see over here the cell, that is the bracket is empty. So I require to select the cell. Now how to select the cell? I will be selecting C2 and I will be just dragging it. See if you are able to see in the formula it is C2, D2, E2 and F2. So we are selecting a cell from C2 to F2 as you are able to see in the formula list and just press enter. As you are pressing enter, you will be able to get the average of all this particular marks, that is 15 plus 14, that is 29, 29 plus 11 it is 40, 40 plus 10 it is 50, 50 divided by 4 it has to be 12.5. Now over here coming to the count. Now what is the use of count? It will count how many values are there. Again I'm selecting the cell. I will be going in this particular part, that is functions. Over here you are able to see a function called as count. Click on it. Select the range of the cell just by right clicking the mouse and dragging it and press enter. When you are pressing enter, you will be able to see that English is 1, maths is 2, science is 3 and social studies is 4. I'm just deleting this particular part. You will be able to see that the formula changes. Deleting this, formula will automatically change. Done. Just doing Control Z. So we have done two particular formulas on this part, that is average and count.